Ask around about her. She don't get emotional. Kill off all her feelings. Swear she ain't approachable. She know her pussy got a family. A couple niggas with a suitcase. Suit and tie niggas who play roleplay. When it comes to money, she play no games. She lick it up just like a